Hello there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Danny of Danny's Dreams, and I am so happy you are here. It is Saturday, so it's time for a Saturday showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show all the cards and creations that I have made throughout the week. So let's get busy. Before I do get started, I do want to mention that all the links are in the description box to either the blog post or the video of where I shared the original cards. So on to the cards for this week. First up, I have this fun card that I made for a Craft and Kimmy challenge of Make a Scene. I'm masked off these two stamps and then used the brick wall stencil behind, and I just love the teen card that it made. This is from the stamp set Girl Power, and this is from the stamp set What's Up Dude. I just thought, I usually make so many like cutesy cards that it was fun to make one that's like for a teen. And the masking, I think I'm getting better at it, so it's encouraging and it's fun to try different things. So you rock. Sorry, I got a little tickle in my throat. I didn't decorate the inside of that one, but there's that one. Next up, I won't spend a whole lot of time because I did do a video, but I did the October 2021 sheet load of cards, which made 10 cards. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 cards. The sentiment is from Craft and Kimmy's stamp set Love Story Sentiments. Not to get carried away, but you're simply amazing. Really, you are. Super duper fun. Again, the video is linked below. Next up, I had some leftovers from making that sheet load of cards. So I made 6 other cards. And these use Sweet and Sassy stamps. This is the sentiment set My Thoughts of You. It says, I really miss your face, and it's a mini slim line. You are an incredible person. It was super fun. That paper is double-sided, so I flipped it over and used the reverse side. You are simply amazing. I smile at the very thought of you. And then I also used the No One But You for 2 cards. So this was the first one with that fun little gnome. It says, sitting here thinking of you. Super duper fun. And then Thanks Nomi with that same stamp set. And there's the inside. So that was fun. And it was fun to use those leftovers while I had them out. Here's all 6 of them. So it was, like I said, it was fun to use those leftovers while they were out, and I didn't put them away. I used them, used things from my stash. Great, great feeling. And then last but not least, we had the 4 on Friday, which I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that because I also have a video for that. There's where I did all the paper piecing and used stamps from La La Land Crafts. Super fun. So it was another busy but not busy week. It seems like I made a lot of multiple cards this week. So that is that. And here's to a great week. Sorry, I kind of lost my train of thought there. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day. I will be back soon with more videos. Tonight, I am going to be with Crafty Al and hopefully her sister for a live Oh So Inspired. So I hope that you will pop on over to Crafty Al's YouTube channel tonight and watch us and join us for that. And again, I'll be back soon. Thanks for stopping by. Have an amazing day.